Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My sincere thanks to the organizer of this FDP, AICT sponsored FDP on computational intelligence for earthquake resistant design. I am very much confident and hopeful that you must have enjoyed your last 6 days. I am sincerely thankful to the organizers for giving me an opportunity to interact with you online on this valedictory event. Though it is officially end of something, but it is beginning of a new era in fact. Whatever computational intelligence you could see its application, so you should be able to now apply it. So we started this AIC sponsored 1 week online faculty development program on 3rd of August. Today, Saturday, 8th of August, we are on valedictory event. It was definitely computational intelligence, applying our natural intelligence to learn computational intelligence, and then in earthquake resistant design, we were trying to see its application. And if you recall my inaugural speech, I said that we should learn, we should apply, and then we should prosper. And that's what we said, leap forward so that we can grow. Learn from yesterday, 3rd of August till today. Learn from yesterday. Apply it today and then prosper tomorrow. So with this, as we should take from this event of 1 week STTP or AIC sponsored faculty development program, the important thing to remember is not to stop learning. When it comes to computational intelligence in earthquake resistant design, the accomplishment over the last 6 days, I am really proud to say and glad to share with you that the response to this program was tremendous. 635 registrations were received. 240 we could shortlist. However, and we have to make a request to AICT. I am thankful to AICT and particular to Colonel Venkat sir for allowing, director of this STTP program, for allowing us to have participant to the tune of 100 per sessions. So we could accommodate as many as 100. The others who could not be, there are 2 more schedules going to be for the same computational intelligence in earthquake resistant design. So those people can join us in our next schedules. So it was really an accomplishment. And I wish you all the very best with a understanding that whatever could be deliberated throughout this 6 day session. In fact, I must confess here that in my inaugural talk, I promised that I would be covering some 5-6 areas. But then I was busy with a parallel STTP going on in electrical department where I was a main resource person. So I had to concentrate there. But I could not share the things which I wanted to share with you. During these 6 days, when I was just looking at the application of computational intelligence in civil engineering, I was really overwhelmed by the response available there. Computational intelligence applied to civil engineering. Computational intelligence applied to construction engineering, to earthquake resistant design, structural engineering. Computational intelligence applied to transportation engineering, geotechnical, transportation, geotechnical, environment, and water power engineering. Everywhere computational intelligence has made inroad, and it has made the life of civil engineer very comfortable to see that this computational intelligence is at ease, can be applied. So I told Dr. Khandwe sir that next session I will be that giving my recorded sessions to you, so they can be shared with you people also. So you can just see what are the application of this computational intelligence in your own area, and there you can apply it for the betterment of mankind ultimately. That the purpose of any endeavor is to make the life easier for the whole mankind. So with this, I wish you all the best. Thank you very much for being with us. And anywhere, suppose you have anything, please forgive us for not coming up to your expectation. We tried our level best, but somewhere here and there, because of online and all, we may be somewhere not up to your expectation. So do suggest so that we make correction. So all the very best. And as it says that the online journey, the virtual alight. The online journey, the virtual alight, sometime it's a day, sometime it's night. The online journey, the virtual alight, sometime it's a day, sometime it's night. Virtual you are, and so are virtual we. Virtual you are, now you and me, we are virtual. Virtual you are, and so are virtual we. Shall keep meeting virtually, all right. What is this translation is from a very famous quote by Dr. Bashir Badr कि सफर जिंदगी का यूं चलता रहेगा, सफर जिंदगी का यूं चलता रहेगा, कभी होगा दिन और कभी रात होगी, मुसाफिर हो तुम भी, मुसाफिर है हम भी, कभी ऑनलाइन फिर मुलाकात होगी. Thank you very much for being part of this AIC sponsored 1 week online faculty development program. I, Dr. M.S. Ali, on behalf of Professor Ram Meghe College of Engineering and Management, Badnera, on behalf of Vidarbha Youth Faith Society's Department of Civil Engineering, Professor Ram Meghe College of Engineering and Management, Badnera, thank you for being with us. All the very best. May Almighty bless us all. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.